Cruising is an experience like no other. Floating luxury, endless food, exciting excursions, and a sense of exploration. But packing for a cruise? That's where things can go wrong. Overpacking, bringing prohibited items, or simply carrying things you'll never use can add unnecessary stress to your vacation. To help you avoid these pitfalls, here's a guide on things you should leave at home when setting sail. Fire hazards, iron, sword, steamers, and candles. Cruise lines prioritize safety above all else, which is why items like iron, steamers, and candles are prohibited. These everyday objects pose a significant fire risk, and fire is one of the most dangerous scenarios on a ship due to its confined space and high flammability. Even minor accidents can escalate rapidly, threatening the safety of passengers and crew. Instead, cruise ships offer convenient alternatives like pressing services for a small fee, ensuring your formal wear looks its best. Wrinkle-release sprays are another great option, and hanging clothes in a steamy bathroom can help reduce creases naturally. Packing wrinkle-resistant fabrics or using a garment bag ensures your clothing stays neat without the need for risky appliances. Coffee makers and kettles. While brewing coffee or tea in your cabin might sound cozy, personal coffee makers and kettles are not allowed on cruise ships. These appliances can overload the ship's electrical system or pose a fire hazard, which is why they're strictly prohibited. Thankfully, cruise ships are well equipped to meet your needs. Complimentary coffee and tea are often available through room service, and 24/7 beverage stations provide hot water and other refreshments. Tea enthusiasts can bring their favorite blends and use the readily available hot water on board, enjoying their beverages without the hassle or risk of bringing prohibited items. Alcohol and sneaky flasks. Cruise lines enforce strict alcohol policies, and attempting to sneak in liquor often results in embarrassment and confiscation. Security has become adept at spotting these tricks, and violators may find themselves summoned to the naughty room for retrieval at the end of the cruise. To enjoy alcohol legally on board, many lines allow passengers to bring 1 bottle of wine or champagne per adult. For those who prefer cocktails, purchasing a drink package is often a more affordable and hassle-free option. Beach towels. Packing bulky beach towels is unnecessary when cruising, as cruise lines provide towels for use at pools, onboard activities, and during excursions. These complimentary towels not only save space in your luggage, but also ensure you always have fresh ones available. However, some cruise lines have a system where you must sign towels in and out, and failing to return them could result in hefty charges, often up to $25 per towel. To avoid such fees, make a habit of double-checking that all borrowed towels are returned before heading back to your cabin. Toiletries you don't need. Cruise cabins typically include basic toiletries such as shampoo, conditioner, and soap, which are sufficient for most travelers. Unless you have a preference for specific brands or require specialty products for sensitive skin or unique hair types, there's no need to pack full-sized bottles. For those who are particular about their toiletries, opting for travel-sized versions is a space-saving solution. Additionally, the combination of saltwater and chlorinated pools can be hard on your hair, leading to dryness or damage. Bringing a small, high-quality hair treatment or conditioner is a smart choice to keep your hair healthy and manageable throughout the trip. Power strips with surge protectors. Surge-protected power strips are prohibited on cruise ships because they can disrupt the ship's carefully managed electrical system, potentially causing safety issues. However, non-surge protected power strips or USB charging hubs are fully allowed and can be a lifesaver during your trip. Cruise cabins often have only 1 or 2 outlets, which may not be sufficient for charging phones, cameras, and other devices simultaneously. By bringing an approved power solution, you'll ensure you can keep all your gadgets charged without any inconvenience or risk of confiscation. Expensive jewelry. Although it might be tempting to pack your finest jewelry to accessorize formal night outfits, it's much safer to leave high-value items at home. The risk of losing or misplacing such pieces, whether in your cabin, at the pool, or during excursions, can cause unnecessary worry and detract from your vacation experience. Instead, opt for affordable yet elegant accessories that still complement your outfits without the fear of significant loss. Stylish costume jewelry or trendy, budget-friendly pieces can elevate your look while keeping your valuables safe. Too many clothes. Overpacking is a common mistake, but limited cabin space makes it impractical. Most cruise activities are casual, with only a few formal nights that require special attire. Planning outfits by day and occasion can help reduce the temptation to bring excess clothing. Focus on versatile pieces and bring a small laundry bag to keep dirty clothes organized. Snacks and bottled water. While bringing prepackaged snacks is allowed, it's rarely necessary. Cruise ships provide an abundance of food, and you can easily take items like fruit or crackers from the buffet for later. As for water, lugging cases of bottled water is unnecessary. A refillable bottle is a more convenient option, as water stations are readily available, and many cruise lines allow you to purchase larger bottles for your cabin. Heavy shoes. Cruise vacations prioritize comfort, so packing heavy or impractical footwear is unnecessary. A pair of comfortable sneakers or sandals is perfect for most onboard and excursion activities, while dress shoes are sufficient for formal nights. Avoid overloading your suitcase with bulky or infrequently worn shoes. Packing for a cruise doesn't have to be stressful. By leaving unnecessary and prohibited items at home, you'll travel lighter, avoid potential issues, and fully enjoy your vacation. Remember, cruises are designed to provide everything you need, often with added luxuries you didn't expect. So save your suitcase space for souvenirs and embrace the minimalist cruise lifestyle. Happy cruising!